everyone, welcome back to my channel Phantom Toys, and I am back with another monster truck video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox new for 2020 Hot Wheels monster truck V8 Bomber from Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live series, the truck number 2 of 10. Here we also have a crushable car in red color, and on the back side we got some other details which I had already tell you in the previous monster truck videos. So if you haven't watched it, I will give the link in the description below. Watch the video till then because we got some flaming action coming up next. Now let's unbox this package and see what we got. Now I got this monster truck right in my hand, and its name is V8 Bomber. Truck type, pickup strength, always on target, crash attack, mega boom, and its motivation is to send other trucks flying. This monster truck has matte green color and black tinted windows. On the side we have some metal rivets, and these beastly teeth look crazy on this thing. You would be thinking that which animal is this, so I want to tell you this is a coyote with this nasty expression. This monster truck got giant wheels with yellow rims, and this release is the recolor of the silver version. It got very nice details, and I am sure it will send other trucks flying. Now you have enjoyed the unboxing, so it's time for some insane action. If you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe because my YouTube analytics are showing that 80% of people are watching my videos but not subscribing, so please subscribe.